YouTube? It's your girl Brittney Bezel. I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be how I achieved the platinum blonde hair color. So if you're interested in seeing the steps that I take, the tools and products that I use to achieve this hair color, then stay tuned for this video because we're going to get right into it. But before we get right into it, I am going to ask that you go down and drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, comment, share, all those good things. Show love to this video, guys. Show love to my page. I can't talk, y'all. Show some love to this video. Show some love to my page. And please and thank you. Okay. What? But drop a like on this video, subscribe to this page, and we're going to go ahead and get straight into it so y'all can see how we achieve this color. Products used to achieve the color are going to be BW2 lightening powder. What is this? BW2 powder lightener. This is what I use. I buy this from my local beauty supply. They sell this in the packet, which I would recommend if you have shorter hair like me, or you're just dyeing like a portion of your hair, streaking it or something like that. Just grab the packet, which is usually about $2.99, I believe. This is about $8 or $9 roughly, I think. And I buy the big one because I color my hair pretty frequently. And then I use a 50 developer. I use a 50 developer, 50 volume developer. I typically do not measure these products. I just go for what I know. Where's my stove? I will start out by using 1 scoop of powder. If you're using the pack, then just go for using the whole pack. Unless if you have really short hair like me, you can probably get away with using a half a pack. But what I typically do is start with the powder and then pour in the developer little by little until I'm getting the consistency that I need. Because I do not have a lot of hair, guys, I typically do not need a lot of product. So I'm using lesser. If you have a full head of hair, very long hair or very thick hair, you're going to want to make sure that you do have a good amount of product or supply on hand. You want to make sure you have it pre-mixed. You don't want to get halfway through bleaching your hair and then you run out of bleach. So if you have a lot of hair, you want to be prepared and make sure that you've mixed a good amount of the developer and the lightener in order to achieve a full head bleaching if that's what you're going for. So again, I just start with the powder and then pour in the liquid until I get roughly the consistency that I'm looking for. And what I'm looking for is, let's see if I can describe it. I want it to be loose but not running. It's pretty much the best way that I can describe it. So yeah, my process is actually pretty lazy. I got a rat tail comb here, and I just grabbed that comb so I can comb my hair out and comb it through so I can make sure I can get to my roots. I do not feel like going to get gloves, so we're not going to be using gloves. Bold move. You know what, can you bring me some napkins at least, because I feel like I'm about to play myself. I'm just over here bare ready to dive in. Alright, so now I'm just about to go in and show y'all how I do my application. I have a mirror in front of me, so that is what I'm using. This is so lazy, y'all. Let me use my comb. Okay guys, so the camera died unfortunately. So I went ahead and finished the application off camera. Essentially, you just want to make sure everything is covered. I do take my time and make sure that I comb through my hair several times to make sure that everything is evenly coated. I have definitely dyed my hair in the past and had patches in the middle of my head and in the back of my head because I did not comb all the way through to the roots to make sure that everything has the same amount of color on it, which will affect your turnout. So I'm gonna show y'all that I'm fully I normally let this sit for about 45 minutes to an hour. I can see the color processing. I can easily look directly in the mirror or wherever and see the phase that my hair has gone to. The brown, the orange, the yellow, the copper, the yellow. It just transitions and lifts and lifts. I normally do this process 2 times, so I will not be shocked if I need to go in with another coating of bleach once this has processed for 45 minutes to an hour, because I, again, like to lift all the way to platinum. So if I don't achieve platinum with the first lift, I do go in with a second lift to get my platinum color that I prefer. I'm gonna let this sit and I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like before I do the rinse out of this application. So I'm back and it's been about an hour since I was last on the camera. I've let this sit for about an hour and as you can see, the color is definitely lightened. It's a yellow gold-ish tint in my roots. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this out and then I am gonna go in with the second application to get the lighter color that I'm looking for to lift that yellow goldish hint out of the hair. So I will be back once this is washed out and I'm ready to do the second application. Okay, I'm back. I washed out the first application, and as you can see, I'm extra two-tonedy. I'm curly here and straight there. Yes, a lot. Consistency. Loose but not running. I'm going to go back in for application number 2. Glove this time because we don't want to be stupid. Nope, stupid is not what we want to be. For the strangers here. Look how messy I'm being. Ooh. Alright, so word to the wise, try to wash your hair as delicately as possible without like agitating your scalp, because you will feel that when you go back in. Ooh, it's burning. It's burning. I never said it was going to be fun. That wasn't in the title or the description. Dead tired. Alright, so I'm going to say about 20, 30 minutes roughly. We'll see. I'll let you guys know when I come back and verify that it's fully lifted. It's burning right now, if I'm being honest, because I just washed my hair and then I put a chemical straight in it. But yeah, I'm gonna let this sit until I can visibly look and see that it's lifted to the color or lack of color of my desire, and then I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like before I redo the final washout. Okay, hunty. Okay guys, so I am back. This is the second application. It has processed for I don't even know what time it is. I'm gonna say about 20 minutes. Yep, it's processed for about 20 minutes. It's a little more yellow than I would like for it to be, as I'm actually noticing in this lighting. So now I'm debating my life. Should I wait it out? It's burning and I really want to take it out because it's burning my head. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this and I'll be back to you guys when I'm done. Just so you know, to wash my hair, I always use Shimmer Lights shampoo. I only shampoo my hair with Shimmer Light shampoo, and I use Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Cream. That stuff has been around for quite some years for me and I just love it. It's my go-to for all stuff. So that's what I'm using. Is first I rinse the bleach, put a little bit of the Cantu on my hair first to kind of coat and protect, and then go in with the Shimmer Lights and then go back in with the Cantu. I'll be back when I'm done with that process. I can't even sit back, y'all. I'm antsy because this stuff is Okay guys, I am back. I did my wash out and I have the Shimmer Light still in my hair because I know that I left more yellow tint in my hair than I would prefer for there to be. I went ahead and let that sit until it pretty much felt dry into my scalp, and now I'm gonna go ahead and rinse the Shimmer Lights, recondition, come back probably with my hair laid down. You can see it is two different tones, so it won't look as crazy when I go ahead and put some style to it. I'll be back. Alright, so we're done guys. All done. I have washed out the Shimmer Lights. I put some more Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream and put a little bit of Eco Styler gel on to let it lay, and these are our final results. Yes, my hair is two colors. It still has very yellowish tints in the roots, and it's pure white on the ends. It doesn't look horrible. I can rock this if I choose to, because it's not like completely drastic or dramatic. I have many options of what I could also do. I could choose to tone my hair to even the color. I typically use Wella color toners. I would go for like an ash blonde if I were using a toner. And I could also wait a few days to a week or so and go back in and light my hair again. I'm not confident on what I want to do just yet. I'm probably going to end up leaving it, and if I really don't like it over the next day or two, if I just want to go an extra step, then I'll probably end up toning, because I really don't want to go back in and do another bleaching. But I might. If I really just want to go for that pure ash white, I might go back in and bleach it and lift it one more time. I don't know. If I decide to make a change, I'm sure I'll probably bring you guys along for it. So, anyway, guys, I hope you like this video. These are our final results after our two lifts, and that's how it's done, guys. That is it. That is all. Final results. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, comment on the video, tap the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. And as always, until the next time, Bezel Babes, I love y'all. Thanks for stopping by.